Hi, I'm Sean. I'm Head of Hardware Development here at Geoslam. We've been making some changes to the RT Datalogger to bring it up to speed with what we have for the Horizon offering. So there's a few new features, a few component upgrades. We've improved the battery performance, we've reduced the weights, we've got some more standard fixing holes, and we're really looking to standardize the user experience. So we have the new RT Datalogger, and we're also bringing a new Datalogger for the Horizon. The user experience will be around the same for each of these, and it will make things easier for training, for support, and for users who may have more than one system. As I'm sure you're all aware, this is the current Datalogger. This is where we first introduced the pack batteries. We introduced the Wi-Fi control, with Ethernet access to download all the data, USB access to connect your Zeb cams, and a main port to connect to the scanner. This is the new Datalogger, so it's a lot more similar like the Horizon one. So we have the same pack battery on here. We've got the similar sort of plastic casing and housing as with the Horizon. We've got the same power button, and we've introduced a function button, the same as we have in the Horizon. So you can now control your RT scanner using the function button rather than only through the web interface. We have Ethernet port with a USB again, the same scanner, same connection to go through to your scanner. There's an external Wi-Fi antenna here because we've gone for a more integrated solution. We've had to fit our own antenna. There's a cooling fan on the bottom to stop things from getting too hot as we're doing all the processing in real time, with some nice cooling fins there, and a slightly different pattern of fixing holes than we've had previously. In terms of functionality, we've been able to improve the efficiency of the system, so we're using a whole lot less battery power. We've changed the way that we're managing the Ethernet connection, so now when you're connecting to your laptop, there's no need to go through and set a bunch of IP settings. Instead, you can just use your automatic DHCP sort of settings. We use this IP address, which is called a local link, so you can just go connect straight through to it without any setup. You can plug your Pano directly into the Datalogger. During capture, you can capture images using the web interface. We've added a new button onto there, and at the end of the mission, all the Pano images will download onto the Datalogger, so you can get all of your data just from one single source. We've reduced the weight, so this is now 1.4 kilograms, including the battery, and the IP rating has improved. So in terms of waterproofing, we're now up to a level 4 rating. With the real-time data processing, we're also using the latest version of SLAM, so this will be the same as what we're using in the desktop versions of Connect, is now running on the Dataloggers. You now don't need to press the button on the side of the scanner to start rotating, so with all new scanners shipped with new Dataloggers, your RT scanner will automatically start rotating at the start of a scan after a successful initialization period, the same way that Horizon does. With these new Dataloggers, thanks to the improved functionality such as automatically rotating, we can now use the remote access feature to communicate start-stop scans and find information on point cloud data and SLAM status and trajectory. These now come in a soft bag similar to the Horizon, so you've got your bag with a foam insert in for your Datalogger. This new Datalogger is being shipped with all new systems sold. If you want any more information, then please get in touch with your channel manager.